Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Terraform state securely with remote backends. Complete guide step by step clearly. To securely backup Terraform state using remote backends, begin by selecting a suitable remote backend provider. Popular options include Amazon S3, Azure Blob Storage, and Google Cloud Storage. Once you have chosen a backend, create an account with the provider if you haven't already. Next, set up the storage bucket where your Terraform state will be stored. Ensure that the bucket is configured to allow secure access only. For example, in AWS S3, you can create a new bucket in the management console, ensuring it is private. After creating the bucket, configure the permissions appropriately. Define an IAM policy that grants required permissions for your Terraform deployment. Attach this policy to the IAM user or role that will perform the Terraform operations. Now, you can proceed to set up your Terraform configuration. Create or edit the Terraform configuration file, typically named main.tf. In this file, specify the backend configuration block depending on your chosen provider. For example, for AWS S3, add the following block: Terraform, backend S3, bucket equals your underscore bucket underscore name key equals your underscore state underscore file region equals your underscore region. Replace the placeholder values with your actual bucket name, state file key, and region. Next, initialize Terraform to configure the backend by running the command terraform init. This command will prompt Terraform to connect to the specified backend and create the remote state file. After initialization, proceed with your usual Terraform commands, like Terraform apply. Terraform will now store its state file in the configured remote backend. It is a good practice to enable versioning on your storage bucket. This allows you to retain historical versions of your Terraform state file. In AWS S3, you can enable versioning from the bucket properties. Also, consider implementing encryption for your state file. On AWS, this can be done by enabling server-side encryption in the bucket settings. If you need to access or modify your Terraform state file, do so with caution. Direct edits to the state file can lead to inconsistencies. Regularly test your backup and restore process to ensure data integrity. You can do this by creating a test environment and using the state file to restore resources. Finally, document your backup process for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.